Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. To learn chain rule differentiation, you please practice continuously 4 or 5 problems. Then you can understand the trick in chain rule differentiation. Once you understand the trick in chain rule differentiation, definitely I can say you like the process of chain rule differentiation. Find the derivative of cos of log of cot x base e with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x. It means d by dx. We need to calculate d by dx of cos of log of cot x base e. We don't have any direct formula for this. We have formula for derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now you observe what we need to calculate. Derivative of cos of log of cot x base e. If you imagine log of cot x base e as x. Listen, if you imagine log of cot x base e as x, then it looks like derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we can write it as minus sin of log of cot x base e into derivative of which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate it. Derivative of log of cot x base e, that equal to minus sin log of cot x base e into derivative of log of cot x base e. We don't have any direct formula for derivative of log of cot x base e, but we know derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. Now you observe derivative of log of cot x base e. You imagine cot x as x. You imagine cot x as x. If you imagine cot x as x, it looks like derivative of log x base e. Derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. Therefore, derivative of log of cot x base e is 1 by cot x into derivative of which one you imagined as x, you need to write that expression. 1 by cot x into derivative of which one you imagined as x, cot x, into derivative of cot x. Derivative of log of cot x base e is 1 by cot x into derivative of cot x. That equal to minus sin log of cot x base e whole divided by cot x into derivative of cot x. We know direct formula of derivative of cot x. What is derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So you write the direct formula here. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So if we simplify this, that means if you multiply the numerator, you will get, you observe that minus minus will become plus. What you will get in the numerator? Sin of log of cot x base e into cosecant square x whole divided by cot x. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please press like button below. Share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.